Project 1.2, the analog oscillator. What is an analog oscillator? An analog oscillator, or astable multivibrator, is a circuit that does not have a stable state. This means that it continuously switches from one state to another. In this case, the LEDs are switching. The circuit consists of 5 different parts. 2 2N3004 NPN transistors, 2 5mm green LEDs, 2 100 microfarad capacitors, 2 1K ohm fixed resistors, and 2 10K ohm fixed resistors. When the circuit is plugged in, the green lights alternate being on. While one capacitor is charging, the other one is discharging. When the capacitor discharges, it applies current to the base lead of the transistor. This allows current to flow from the collector lead, which is connected to the LED, to the emitter lead, which is connected to ground, thus turning the LED on. When this capacitor is done discharging, it will start charging, and the other capacitor will start discharging. This will repeat the cycle. The capacitor that discharges applies current to the base lead of the other transistor. Then current will flow from the collector lead, which is connected to the LED, to the emitter lead, which is connected to ground, turning this LED on. They will alternate continuously. The encased version is a lot like the breadboard prototype, but it has a few extra parts. The first difference is the switch that allows the circuit to be turned on and off. The next new part is the 5.4mm terminal blocks. These blocks can facilitate the use of multiple different parts, and in this circuit they have 2 roles. The first role is to house the LEDs, and the second is to help power the circuit. As seen here, wires can be run through the terminal blocks into the breadboard and powered by this terminal jack. The circuit can also be powered in 2 other ways. It can be powered by the 5.4mm kinked power jack and the Schroeder jack, seen here. Like with the breadboard version, this encased version produces 2 alternating lights. Thank you for listening.